Today, we're taking a close look at a faucet that promises to stay cleaner longer without constant wiping. This is the Moen Idora Spot Resist Brushed Nickel 2-Handle Center Set Bathroom Sink Faucet. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether it's the right upgrade for your bathroom or not. So stick around. Product features. Let's start with what this faucet brings to the table. The Moen Idora features a high arc spout, which gives you plenty of clearance for washing hands, filling containers, or just everyday bathroom use, especially helpful if your sink feels a bit cramped. It comes in spot resist brushed nickel, designed to resist fingerprints and water spots. That means less cleaning and a bathroom that looks freshly wiped most of the time. Installation is straightforward thanks to its 4-inch center set design, making it a solid choice for standard bathroom sink setups and DIY-friendly installs. It also includes a matching drain assembly, so you don't have to hunt for compatible parts. On top of that, it's ADA compliant, meets NSF 61 and Federal Safe Drinking Water Act standards, and coordinates perfectly with other accessories from the Moen Idora collection. And of course, it's backed by Moen's limited lifetime warranty, a big confidence booster. Now let's talk about the real-world pros and cons. Pros: spot resist finish keeps the faucet looking clean. High arc spout offers excellent sink clearance. 2-handle design allows precise temperature control. Easy installation for most standard sinks. Reliable build quality from a trusted brand. Lifetime warranty adds long-term value. Cons: 2-handle faucets may feel less convenient than single-handle options for some users. Not designed for modern vessel sinks or widespread installations. Premium quality means it's not the cheapest option out there. Overall review. So, is the Moen Idora Spot Resist Brushed Nickel Bathroom Faucet worth buying? If you want a clean-looking, reliable, and low-maintenance faucet from a brand known for long-term durability, this is an excellent choice. It's especially ideal for family bathrooms, guest baths, or anyone tired of constantly wiping fingerprints. It's not flashy or ultra-modern, but it's practical, dependable, and built to last. If this review helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more honest home fixture reviews, and don't forget to check the product link in the description below for current pricing and availability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.